Hey guys, this is an Assa. I got it from jdjojoda. Came in a package yesterday along with some other really high security locks all the way from Belfast. And of course he sent me the sticker as well. Really cool. So anyway, it does have a key. And here's what it looks like. And despite it having the side bitting for the finger pins on the side, this one, according to Jim, does not have the finger pins. It has a passive sidebar. So the only thing we have to worry about are the 6 pins on top. So let's see if we can give that a shot and open it up and we can see what he's talking about. He said it was manufactured with a passive sidebar, and I just don't understand why they would do that. I mean, if you have provisions to put in finger pins, why not do it? Okay, all the way to the rear, apply moderate tension. I have picked this a couple of times, and what I have noticed is that you can tell the difference between the false notches and the actuals, it seems to me, by the sound. The false ones are a little bit duller in tone, and when you hit the real ones, it's quite a significant click. The only trouble I have, of course, is getting to the rear, because it seems like some of those pins are right on the bottom. There we go. I think you can probably hear I have a fault set. You can hear those distinct clicks, at least on the back 2 pins. And there we go. Okay, let's open this thing up and take a look, see what is inside of it. I'm going to zoom out just a bit. Get that out of here, get all this junk out of our way. I've kind of prepared. And we will need a Phillips, and I've got that laid out. I'm curious about this inert sidebar, this passive sidebar that he was talking about. I have another Assa, but it's the Assa Combi. It has an active sidebar. Okay, wrong size. I said I was set up. There we go. We'll try this one. How about that? See if we can not screw this up. And there we go. Okay, so what are we looking at? This is the sidebar he was talking about. And if you look, there's all 6 pins. I'm going to leave that down for a second so I don't drop everything. And this is the sidebar, and it's completely round. There's no active element on it whatsoever. It's just kind of laser. I'm curious as to why they even bother putting this in there, other than perhaps it does have the springs here. So that would maintain tension on the core and give you that distinctive click when you turned it. So perhaps that's why they put this passive sidebar in there. Tiny little springs. I'm going to try not to lose those. And let's go ahead and dump these out. Okay. Looks like a master. We have a master wafer in position, master wafer in position 3. And let's see what we have here. This is the fun part. And that's a wild looking spool. Another one. Oops. These things are awesome. These are really cool security pins. I can understand why you get such distinctive signals from this. These locks are just a kick to open. Okay, I think that's it. We got them all. Let me just arrange them here for a second, just to orient them correctly. Alright, check this out. When we talk about security pins, these are security pins. Look at this thing. That is wild. Anyway, all of these uppers are all spools or double spools, and they have this weird pyramid or pagoda shape to them. Hope this can focus. Just a really weird small upper, and then a really wide ridge for the top of that spool, and then a big opening. So what a really weird looking, and all of them are that away. Some of them are double, and then here we go. This one is just a single. Throw me off track. So that's what we're looking at. That's why these are so much fun to open. Anyway, there you go, an Assa. It is not the Combi. It does not have the side finger pins, but it's still quite a challenge to open. Anyway, thanks for your time. Everybody stay safe and stay legal. And Jim, thanks for the lock, bud.